Simple linear regression with Navure. To illustrate this example, we will use the test data named milk production protein. Look for this file in the test data repository. These data were obtained from an assay designed to examine the relationship between protein content and daily milk production per animal. Preliminary examination of the data showed a linear decrease in percentage of protein content as kg/day of milk increased. The purpose of this analysis is to estimate the rate of decrease in percentage of protein content per kg/day increase in milk production using linear regression analysis. Remember, a simple linear regression fits a straight line described by the following expression. In this formula, beta 0 represents the intercept and beta 1 represents the slope of the line, which in this case is expected to be negative. Beta 0 and beta 1 are known as the parameters of the model. Beta 0 corresponds to the expected value of y when x equals 0. However, most of the time this interpretation does not apply because you don't have values of x close to 0. So typically this parameter is not interpreted. To estimate these parameters, we will press the linear regression button on the univariate tab of the ribbon bar. In the window that appears, we select protein as the response variable and milk as the covariate. Then, a new dialog appears and with milk is already listed in the list of fixed term of the model. Since we want to see the fitted line, we click on the Output tab and check the box next to Observed versus Predictor plus Regression line. We can see that the estimated slope, also known as the regression coefficient, is minus 0.0358, which measures the amount of protein loss per additional kg/day of milk. For example, cows with an average milk yield of 31 kilograms per day will have 0.0358 percentage points less protein than cows with an average yield of 30 kilograms per day. We can see that the new tab appears below the application's ribbon bar. It is called Graphics and has a red D to indicate that there is news in this tab. If we press it, we get the graph of the observed percentage of protein versus milk production and the fitted line. We can play with a new tool that allows us to customize the chart by changing the color palette and appearance. This chart can be copied to the clipboard or exported in a variety of formats. Among these formats, you can use the Scalable Vector Graphics (SVG), which allows you to edit it in other applications such as Microsoft PowerPoint.